Good day. Welcome to My Health Cebu Special Report. We are very fortunate to have with us Miss Anna Fegi, a Cebuana and a very established and well-known entertainer and singer. And she is about to tell us her very strong and inspiring story about her experience as a COVID survivor and how she recovered and how she wants to advocate for all of us to be able to protect ourselves and to support others who have COVID-19. So, Miss Anna, how you're a very careful person. No, amping gigay ka, you are a person who is meticulous, who is thorough. Yeah, in your opinion, how did you get COVID-19 as a pregnant lady? How did that make you feel? What were your feelings or emotions that you were going through at that time na nakadiscover ka na naaday kay COVID-19?
I was pregnant because I just gave birth. I was pregnant and it was a requirement to get a test for COVID. It's for the safety of the mother, the child, and especially for our frontliners, which is okay. So I did the test, and also my husband, we decided to let my husband also get a test because I really wanted for him to be with me when I give birth. So both of us took the test, and unfortunately I was positive. My husband was negative. It was weird because in the household it was just me and my husband. And
how many days before you gave birth?
It was on my 38th week. So that I did the test, and yes, I was negative and I was asymptomatic. Wala ko'y na-feel whatsoever, hilanat, ubo whatsoever. Kung wala ko nagpa-test because it was, kung wala'y requirement, dili ko makabalo. I was okay. But when I knew that I was positive, it really affected my mental and my my psychological. It played, nagduwa sa ako ang huna-huna. Nahadlo ko first, of course, ang akong first na feel is nahadlo ko for my baby. And how I survived, I had to fight everything that's in my mind to stay strong, because at the end of the day, I'm holding another life. I'm holding my baby, and I want my baby to be alive and healthy. I didn't know at first unsa may tabo nga positive ko, but then sige lang kong ampo. Sige lang kong pray, and then my therapy was really singing. I sang and sang. I sang praises to God just to like be positive, kay di man pwede ko ma-weak man ako ang immune system kung magsikog hilak. Unya dayon lisod ko magsikag hilak, di ba? So I just, for some reason, maybe because of prayer, I fought. And as soon as I knew also that I was positive, my husband and I, we separated rooms immediately. How I got it? We were analyzing. My husband was the one who goes out to get groceries or my medicine. And because when I was pregnant also, I have gestational diabetes and I have asthma. So really, I'm at risk for the virus. So we were analyzing how I got it. I was not going out. I was just in my house. And we realized, I think my husband passed it along to me. Kay negative siya sa ano, unsa ni tawag na? Swab test, but the IgG.
Yes.
The IgG. He was slight positive. He was slight positive. So we just thought he got it. He passed it along with me, and I got it. My husband is very, very careful. We have a lot of process whenever he goes out. Careful kay siya, mag-mask siya, nasa glasses, Lysol, alcohol, washing, sanitizing every time. Put the groceries first for 30 minutes outside before you put it out. Mag-shower, ano ba, tanan, among git practice. Meaning, makuha gid sa tanan, why pili? Why pili gid? Walay pili. I even lost a friend.
Yes.
Jonas Borges, who's so special to me, whom I know is also very careful. I lost a friend. But anyway,
How did you recover? How did you know that you were done with it?
I gave birth May 27. My doctor, Doc Abalos, was supposed to, was telling me if you could hold the baby till May 30 so that we can get a test. Maybe you're gonna be negative at that time after 10 days. So okay, I would try to hold the baby. But then my baby, Amaria, decided to come out a few days early, May 27. So the first thing that I asked her was to I want to do a test again. She was at first telling me I think it's still gonna be positive because it's 6 days from the lab. And I said, no, I need to do a test because if I am positive, I think I will not want to, I want my baby to be safe. Much as I want to hold her, I want her to be safe. So I did the test, the first thing I did. I gave birth, I started labor 2 p.m. Oh, by the way, so I took a test and then I was told that the test is gonna come out mga 3 sa afternoon.
Okay.
This is a very interesting story.
Okay.
That's why it's a miracle. So I took a test 7 a.m.
Right.
and then I was told your test gonna come out mga 3 or 4.
Right.
So we'll wait for the test.
Okay.
I tried to hold on for the baby, hold the baby in, but I started labor 2 p.m. I pushed and pushed and pushed, but somehow si Amaria, she didn't want to come out.
Okay.
3:15, my test came. Doc Abalos and the rest of the people in the
Theater.
saying, negative, negative, negative. So I still tried to push. I pushed. She didn't want to come out.
Okay.
So around 4 o'clock, si Doc Abalos said it has to be CS.
Yeah.
So CS siya.
Right.
Pagkuha niya sa ako she wasn't breathing. She wasn't breathing and she has a weak pulse. So, ikuha siya, giingnan. I think I heard Doc Abalos saying pass her to the pedia doctor, the IC, I don't know the term, but pass her. So they revived her. They were able to revive her, knowing everybody knew that I was already negative, so everybody was safe.
Yes.
But everybody was in their PPE.
Of course.
Full PPE. I felt like I was in an astronaut. They were moving so slow. But then when everybody was shouting negative, everybody just calmed down.
Right, of course. Don't fear.
So my baby's a miracle baby.
It's a miracle baby. So Anna, what is your message to our viewers who have seen this video and who would like to learn how to be strong and how to deal with this difficult time, and also how to support COVID-19 survivors here in Cebu?
I think I want to speak to especially the mothers who are expecting. I want to tell you that you really have to keep fighting for your baby. Positive or negative, keep fighting for your baby and do your part. Wear a mask, be healthy, stay healthy, because if ever you're gonna have the virus, the one thing that you're really gonna fight is your mental. Ang nasa imong huna-huna. Ikaw rin makatabang, dili imong asawa, dili imong anak, nobody but you. If prayer will help you feel good, then pray. But still, do your part to wear a mask, stay healthy, wash your hands, sanitize, social distancing. Ang social distancing is very, very important. Even to my husband who's out na grocery, the time na he's out, I social distance myself with him. Up until siguro a couple of the next day, because I'm running. But social distancing, ladies and gentlemen, mommies, very, very important. Mask, wash your hands, sanitize, alcohol. That's very, very important. So just keep fighting, mommies. Think about the life that you're bringing. Think about the life that's in your womb. And avoid stress. Because if you're stressed, your immune system goes down and you cannot be sick for your baby. So just stay strong and be healthy. COVID survivors, stay strong. Stay strong, and also for those the people around you, please know that because I'm a COVID survivor, I'm not a dirty person and I'm not a bad person. Let's just be kind, be empathetic, practice social distancing. I believe that if we choose to think that you have the virus or the other people has the virus, ma-practice kinato ang social distancing. If we care for other people, we choose social distancing and wear a mask. For those who have the virus, just stay strong. I am telling you my story kay tungod pinangga ta ka.
So thank you everybody for watching My Health Cebu with Miss Anna Fegi, a strong survivor of COVID-19 who is now a new mother raising her young family. So ang apong messaging dire is very important na mag-amping mo sa inyong kagalingon, take care of your mind, take care of your body. Ayud kalimti ang upat ka importanteng messages namo today. Ang first kay ang paghunaw, ang ikaduha ang pagsulub og tarong sa face mask, ikatulo ang pagpuyo sa balay. Ang kanang social distancing na kung walay cooperation sa atong community, digid na mahitabo. So maningkamot ta na we stay strong, we stay healthy, and together we will get through this.